This is by somebody who works at Harvard. She has been doing a lot of research on brands, and she's been working extensively on brands and how branding is used in the not-for-profit sector. She believes, is this clear? Everyone can see this? Yeah. Okay. I find the use of this word shortcut fairly interesting. What would you typically mean when you said shortcut? When would you use the word shortcut?
Anything to save time. So in this case it would be, among other things, this is an easier way to make a decision.
Great. Lovely answer. Would anybody want to add? Does anybody differ?
People are having experience, so and that is good experience, then we do not bother about it.
Okay.
Many people have it. It's like commonly used. Or
Okay.
no
Try it,
no
test it.
Okay. Okay. All right. We'll go with that. So I'm guessing most of you do agree with this statement, right? Anybody who differs from this would like to say something contradictory, have another point of view? Okay. Never mind.
it can be like, it limits our it's okay if even if we don't research or something, we go with that thing and it's done.
Right.
But if we like go on finding out, digging
Right.
out things, then
Right.
we might come across
Sure.
which is still the same, but it is not very much popular.
Right, right. What she was talking about is how it does help you with decision making. If you were to get into the details of branding, or if you were to look at what this shortcut is about, what are its elements, what are its constituents, you would find that there are 3 sets of components. The shortcut is a quick decision making process that happens in your head. Sometimes you're not even conscious of how this entire thought has come through in your head, right? You haven't given it about 15 minutes or 20 minutes of thought. You had what? All of 1 minute here to put down your ideas. So it was a shortcut. You triggered off a certain thought process and the answer was either a Bullet or a Hyundai or a Samsung, right?